What's better than one luxury watch? It's two luxury watches. And yes, that's right. That's what we're going to be showing you today in this video. Welcome back to Mod Watches, guys. Today we have not one, but we have two luxury one-to-one pieces going out for our clients. As you may know, we are getting a lot of orders for one-to-one pieces. Lots of people are getting gifts, anniversary gifts, presents, gifting themselves. This is an anniversary gift that we're going to be showing you today. A lovely, lovely Cartier piece, and also a Rolex piece. So let's crack on with the video and show you what we have. We'll start off with the red bag first. This is a Cartier, of course, as you can see. But let's get it out of the box and show you what's going out. And I'll talk a little bit about why they've gone for this piece, what they've ordered, etc. Let's get this camera down a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so here we have a very, very nice Cartier box. Let's take this off. Now this is a beautiful piece. This is going out for one of my clients. He's actually bought a gift for his wife on their 10-year anniversary. So obviously congratulations to them. I'm sure your wife is going to love this piece here. It's a very, very special piece. And take a look at this, guys. What an absolute beauty. Take a look at that. That is an absolute stunner. You see that right there? This is a Cartier Ballon Bleu in the 30mm variant. As you can see, it has the Roman numerals, it has the diamond hour markers, it has the blue seconds and hours hand, as you can see. And of course, it's got that beautiful, beautiful brushed bracelet. And of course, it's got that domed glass, as you can see on top. So yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful piece, guys. And I think the thing I like about this the most, right, is that it's different. And I say that with all the Cartier pieces because, of course, they are very, very different in terms of style and, you know, like the style language and the color choices that they've used. If you compare it to a Rolex, of course, it's very, very different. But just take a look at the shine on that, guys. That is an absolutely beautiful watch. And it shows you the quality of the luxury one-to-ones that we provide. We are the best in the game. You can test us. And we are very, very competitive when it comes to prices. I've had people obviously go direct and also test us as well at the same time to see if, you know, we're the same quality. And a lot of the times they've actually had to go back to the person that they bought direct from and tell them, look, I don't want your watch, I want to send it back, because they've got a better price with us for the exact same thing, guys. We only sell the highest quality one-to-one pieces. We do not sell the you know, the trash that you can find on holidays or vacations and stuff like that. This is not what we sell. We sell the absolute best of the best. And you can see it right here. So this is a 30mm face. Obviously it's for the women. And you can see it's got that iconic balloon design or whatever they call it, which is this ring design here. This is an absolutely beautiful piece. Of course, it's going out with box and papers. This customer wanted the whole shebang, and we are absolutely more than happy to provide that. So you can see it comes with the white swing tag, which you get on the Cartiers. And of course, inside the box, if I can get it out, you can see the card as well. Don't worry about those. Those are just some bubbles from the actual sticker on top. Of course, we're not going to take the sticker off. We're going to let the customer do that themselves. But yeah, there you go. That's an absolute beauty of a watch. And sorry, there are some babies crying in the background. I do apologize for that. But there we go. That's what we have when we're filming outside. But we have to film outside to really give you the full glory of this piece, and the piece that I'm going to show you in a second with the Rolex as well. These are absolutely beautiful pieces, but I'm very, very stunned by this piece here. Look at the shine on this bracelet. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and I am very confident that our client will be more than happy with this piece. You can see there. Truly, truly beautiful. Right, let's move on to the next piece that we have going out today. Let's pop this back on and I will be with you in just a second. Okay, next on the list we have a Rolex 1-to-1 going out. Let's focus that for you. Again, it's going out with the box and papers, so let's get into the meat and potatoes of this one. So you can see we've got a nice box there. Okay. Oh, yes. Got our card going out as well, of course. Right, so let's see what we've got. Ah, yes. So this is a very, very nice piece as well. It's absolutely stunning as this one. I've not... obviously, I've taken some of the stickers off on this one as per the client's request to check some of the functionality on this one. But yes, take a look at this, guys. This is an absolute beauty. Absolute beauty is this one. This is the Daytona in the green and the gold colorway, also known as the John Mayer. And I mean, this is just a banger. I'm just going to shut my mouth and let you admire this yourself. It is absolutely stunning. I've got no words for this one, and I am really, really confident that the customer that this is going out to, they are going to be absolutely blown away by this. This is an absolute belter of a watch. As with all our watches and all our 1-to-1s, of course, it mimics everything. So you've got all of your functionality there. You've got all of the hands that are going to be working. You've got the main stopwatch, of course, as well. And then, of course, you've got the 3 dials, the iconic 3 dials that you get on the Daytona. But just take a look at the shine on this thing. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. And in fact, while we're here, I'm going to unscrew the crown from the top, unscrewing the crown from the bottom, and just give you a demo of the actual watch working as well, just so that you can see that we take no half measures here. So I'm just going to zoom in, and so if you press the top crown, once you've unscrewed the top the 2 crowns, you press the top one, you hear that click, and there you go. You can see that minute timer is now on the move. And you can press that again to pause. You can press it again to continue. Press it again to pause. And of course you press the bottom one, and that will then reset the timer. Now, I understand that a lot of people, they're buying this type of watch for their first time, and they don't fully know all of the way the watch works. So that timer is not supposed to be running 24/7. You're not supposed to have that running all the time. So as you can see, as I've turned it off there, that's a timer, not the seconds hand. The seconds hand is actually at the 6 o'clock position. So you see that there? So that's actually your seconds timer. That is the, not timer, sorry, that's your seconds hand. That's the one that's supposed to work all day, every day. This big one is not supposed to be working all day every day. So for any reason, if you do receive a watch like this from us, you shouldn't do, but if you do, for any reason, have this timer going and working all the time, just know that that's not how the watch is supposed to work, and that will absolutely drain the battery and the mechanism of the watch. So you don't want to be using that 24/7, of course, but yes, it is there for you to use when you do want to use it in those short bursts. And there we are, guys. There's not really much more to say about this one. This is just absolutely beautiful. So this is, of course, going out to another client of ours, and as you can see, if you would like to purchase any of these 1-to-1s that I've just shown you in this video, there's going to be a link in the description below. Check that link out, click on that link, go follow the instructions on there, have a chat with us, and we'll be more than happy to provide you, of course, with more details of what we can get and what we cannot. We can source pretty much anything in the world, but you've got to send us a picture and let us know. This one comes with box and papers as well. The customer's opted to go with the box and papers. You've got an NFC card as well in this one, so you can scan this to your phone and it will show you what model watch that you have in your possession. And just a quick note, a lot of people have asked us if we're still doing Seco mods. The answer is yes, we are. There's going to be a link. The second link is going to take you to our website where what we've done now for the Seco mods, because we're getting so many clients, so we hand build the Seco mods ourselves here in Leeds. It's either myself or my partner Simon who builds them. So there's only so much that we can do, we can handle, and so what we've done is we've just done it by email only. So if you go onto the website, you will see like an email capture page. Put your email address in, you'll get a catalogue straight to your email. You can order through that catalogue, so it just helps us give a bit more attention and a bit more of a better customer service to each person, rather than just doing things en masse. So yeah, just check out the second link in the description below for the Seco mods. But yeah, if you want to go for a one-to-one, it's the first link in the description below. Check it out and let us know what you think. All right, with that being said, I will leave it there. Let me know what you think of these two one-to-ones going out. Which one would you go for? Well, obviously one's for a man and one for a woman, so I'm sure you're all going to want to go for this one because you're all men based on the stats that I've seen anyway. But I think the 0.2% women that we've got, I'm sure they're going to go for a Ballon Bleu. But anyway, let me know what you think of these one-to-ones. Would you get one yourself? Which one would you get? What colorway would you go for? And is there any other one-to-one that you want to see on the channel? Let me know and I will try and get that in for you and do a bit of a review like this and show you what you get inside the box. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.